Hi all, today I'm here with some pro tips to build a great resume with some free tools. Crafting good resume might feel hard if you're new to it, but knowing the basics and showing your skills well might impress the employers. Your resume is key for the job search by giving a quick look at your work history and skills. Make sure it's clear, concise and matches the job you're applying for. This is the time to market yourself and stand out. By focusing on details and being strategic, you can create a resume that shows your potential and leads the job opportunities. Let us quickly edit sample resume using free tools. I am using Canva. Go to Canva homepage. You will be able to view search box. Just type resume. Once you type and enter, you can view all the available templates. You can select whichever template is suitable for your profile. So if you see any of the template with Pro badge, don't select that. It is available only for the people who upgrade it. So select any of the free template and click on customize this template. It will take you to the another tab. So I selected this template. Let us edit it. So we need to enter our name here and then we need to enter professional summary. So if you are not sure what to enter here, let us use another tool and enter the professional summary. Go to any of the browser and type ChatGPT. You don't need to register or log in here. Just give any of the prompt, you will get the information. So I am searching professional summary for HR manager. Once you type and enter, it will give you the information. You just need to copy. Just copy and paste it here and then enter work experience. Always enter the latest work experience on top and then follow the same. So first we need to enter the designation and then we need to enter the company name. Then enter start date and end date. Mention the month and year. If you are still working, mention as present. So once you enter the start date and end date, we need to enter roles and responsibilities. If you are not sure what to enter, so let us use ChatGPT for roles and responsibilities. Just copy the relevant roles and responsibilities and paste it here. Accordingly, fill all the work history here and then enter your educational background. Always we need to enter the highest qualification first and then we need to follow accordingly. Mention the graduation details. If you have done post graduation, mention that, and then you need to mention the university start date and end date, and you need to mention the stream. So once you fill all the educational details, you need to enter contact details. So under contact details, we need to enter mobile number, email address, LinkedIn profile link if you have any, and then your residential details. Mention that, and then we need to enter skills, technical skills. If you have any technical skills, enter here. If you are not sure about technical skills, you can get that from ChatGPT. So copy the relevant technical skills and paste there. Then if you have learned any tools or softwares, you need to mention here. Once you're done with tools or softwares, you need to mention the languages you have known. So, and then you need to mention certifications or short courses which you have completed. So once you're done entering all the details, you need to enter additional information. Under additional information, you can enter the awards or recognition. If you have participated in any of the volunteer programs, you can mention that. You can mention all the additional information here. In case if you need additional page, you can click on add page or you can click on duplicate page. If you click on add page again, then you need to click on text. So instead of this, I would suggest you to click on duplicate page. You will get the same format. Just remove whichever information is not required and you can edit accordingly. Things to remember while editing a resume. Customize your resume for each job application by highlighting the most relevant skills. Use a clear and professional format. Always mention your achievements, like you need to mention the accomplishments more than the duties or responsibilities. And proofread carefully. Make sure there are no spellings or grammatical mistakes. Also make sure there are no formatting errors. To mention any of the points, use bullet points so that it will be clear to understand. Also give contact information. Don't give irrelevant information. Use simple and generic language. Don't neglect formatting. Use professional font sizes, spacing. I hope this information is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.